Hi there. So, if you're looking for how you can boost your post in LinkedIn, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. But in order for you to actually succeed, you have to watch the video until the end because if you'll miss a step, you won't be able to do it. So, it's a simple process. All you have to do is just simply go to your browser and just simply open your post. And as you can see, I don't have a post right now. So, let me show you. As you can see over here, I have no post right now. So let's post something first. To post, what you can do is just simply click on start a post. Then choose an image, let's say. For example, I want to post an image. This one. Click on open. So you can edit, tag, or add a text. So you can do all of that, but I'm not going to do it. So I'll just simply click on done. Then post. Now just simply wait for it to post. Now as you can see, our post has been made successfully. Now to boost your post, what you can do is just simply first refresh it. Then go to your home page. Now after that, go back to your profile, click on view profile and scroll down, and over there you will find your post. So click on it. Now how you can boost your post. So the solution is very simple. All you have to do is need a few likes and comment, and the most important thing, you have to send this post to as many people as you possibly can. So the number of people you will send your post, the more your post will get boosted. You can send to your friends, your family, or anyone on any type of social media if you know or don't know. So just simply send them your post and ask them to repost it and add a comment and a like, and by doing all of that, your post will be boosted a lot. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.